Picture this. The storm rages outside, the wind howls, and the rain lashes against your windows. It's one of those nights where you just want to stay inside, cozy and warm. Suddenly the lights flicker and die. You're plunged into darkness, and the familiar hum of your home falls silent. Dinner is an hour away and your stomach is already growling. The ingredients are laid out, but without power, your electric stove is useless. Don't panic. A butane stove might be your kitchen hero. It's time to bring out this compact yet powerful cooking tool. Butane stoves are small and portable. They can be easily stored in a cupboard or even a drawer, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. They run on butane canisters, not electricity. This means you don't have to worry about power outages affecting your ability to cook. This makes them perfect for emergencies. Whether it's a storm, a blackout, or any other situation where power is unavailable, a butane stove can be a lifesaver. When the power goes out, your cooking doesn't have to. You can still prepare a hot meal for your family, keeping everyone fed and happy. Butane stoves are simple to use. With a straightforward setup process, you can have it up and running in no time. They offer a reliable way to cook indoors when your regular stove is down. But safety is important. Always ensure proper ventilation and follow the manufacturer's guidelines. We need to understand how to use butane stoves responsibly inside our homes. This includes knowing how to store the canisters safely and how to operate the stove without any risks. Let's explore the world of butane stoves. There are various models available, each with its own features and benefits. We'll cover everything from setup to safety. By understanding the ins and outs of these stoves, you can make an informed decision. By the end, you'll know if a butane stove is the right fit for your emergency preparedness kit. Stay prepared, stay safe, and keep cooking, no matter what. Butane stoves are known for their simple setup. They are incredibly user-friendly and designed to be intuitive, making them a popular choice for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, you'll find that these stoves are straightforward to use. Most models have a similar design, featuring a compact and portable structure. This makes them ideal for camping trips, picnics, or even as a backup cooking solution at home. The uniformity in design also means that once you learn to use one, you can easily operate any other model. It's like a streamlined version of your outdoor gas grill, but much more convenient and easier to handle. The butane stove offers the same functionality without the bulk, making it perfect for quick setups and easy storage. First, you have the stove itself. It's compact, lightweight, and designed to be portable. This makes it easy to carry around and set up wherever you need it. This is a burner on a stable base. The stability ensures that your cooking experience is safe and hassle-free, preventing any accidental tipping or spills. Then there's the butane canister, your fuel source. These canisters are readily available and easy to replace, ensuring that you never run out of fuel when you need it the most. Attaching the canister is a breeze. The process is designed to be quick and straightforward so you can get cooking in no time. Align the canister notch with the stove's groove. This ensures a secure connection and prevents any gas leaks. Push and twist to lock it in place. Easy. This locking mechanism is designed to be foolproof, ensuring that the canister is securely attached. Now look for the control knob. This is where you can adjust the flame intensity to suit your cooking needs. This regulates the gas flow to the burner. By turning the knob, you can control the heat level, allowing for precise cooking. Turn it to the off position when you're done cooking. This ensures that no gas is wasted and that the stove is safe to handle. Finally, open the canister valve slightly to release the butane. This step is crucial for igniting the stove. You'll hear a gentle hiss. That's it. This sound indicates that the gas is flowing and the stove is ready to be lit. Your butane stove is ready for action. Whether you're boiling water, frying eggs, or cooking a full meal, this stove can handle it all. Now you can light it up and start cooking. The ignition process is simple and quick, getting you ready to cook in seconds. Remember, always consult your stove's manual for specific instructions. Each model might have unique features or safety guidelines that you should be aware of. Each model might have slight variations. It's important to familiarize yourself with the specific model you own to ensure safe and efficient use. Cleaning a butane stove is a snap. These compact appliances are designed for easy maintenance. Start by detaching the butane canister. Safety first. Let the stove cool down completely before cleaning. You can usually remove the burner grate and drip tray. Wash these with warm, soapy water. Use a sponge or cloth to wipe down the stove's surface. Avoid harsh chemicals, they can damage the finish. Rinse everything thoroughly and dry it completely before reassembling. A clean butane stove is a happy stove. Regular cleaning ensures optimal performance and a longer lifespan for your appliance. One of the best features of a butane stove is its heat adjustability. Most models have a control knob that lets you fine-tune the flame. Think of it like the volume knob on your radio. Want a gentle simmer for soups or sauces? Turn the knob to a low setting. Need a powerful flame for searing steaks or stir-frying vegetables? Crank it up. The flame responds quickly to adjustments. This level of control gives you versatility. You can cook a wide variety of dishes on a single burner. Just remember to adjust the heat gradually. This prevents scorching your food or damaging your cookware. Section 5. Fueling the flame, butane availability and storage. Butane canisters are readily available. You can find them at most hardware stores, camping supply shops, and even some grocery stores. They are relatively inexpensive and easy to store. Always store butane canisters in a cool, well-ventilated area. Keep them away from direct sunlight, heat sources, and flammable materials. Never store them near a stove or any open flame. Butane has a long shelf life. You can store canisters for several years without significant loss of pressure. However, it's always a good idea to check the expiration date on the canister. Safety first. Section 6. Safety first. Ventilation is key. Butane stoves produce carbon monoxide. This is an odorless, colorless gas that can be deadly. Never use a butane stove indoors without proper ventilation. Open windows and doors to create airflow. If possible, use a fan to circulate the air. A carbon monoxide detector is also a wise investment. It can alert you to dangerous levels of this silent killer. Remember, your safety is paramount. Treat butane stoves with respect. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and use common sense. With proper precautions, butane stoves can be used safely indoors. Section 7. Butane in action from coffee to stir-fry. Don't let its size fool you. A butane stove is a culinary powerhouse. It can handle everything from boiling water for that morning coffee to whipping up a gourmet stir-fry. Need to cook rice or pasta? No problem. A butane stove can handle larger pots and pans. Want to fry an egg or make pancakes? The adjustable flame gives you the perfect heat control. You can even use a butane stove for baking. Invest in a small oven that sits on top of the burner. Now you can enjoy fresh-baked cookies or even a small pizza during a power outage. Section 8. Weighing the pros and cons, butane indoors. Butane stoves offer several advantages for indoor cooking during emergencies. They are portable, easy to use, and require no electricity. The adjustable flame allows for versatile cooking. Butane canisters are widely available and have a long shelf life. However, there are also some downsides. Safety is a major concern. Carbon monoxide poisoning is a real risk if you don't have adequate ventilation. Butane stoves can also be a fire hazard if not used carefully. Finally, butane stoves are not as powerful as conventional stoves. They may take longer to cook food, especially in larger quantities. Weigh these pros and cons carefully before deciding if a butane stove is right for you. Section 9. The verdict is butane right for your kitchen. So are butane stoves the ultimate indoor cooking solution during power outages? When the electricity goes out, having a reliable cooking method can make a world of difference. Butane stoves are often praised for their convenience and efficiency in such scenarios. The answer, like most things in life, is, it depends. There are several factors to consider before making a decision. Your cooking habits, the size of your kitchen, and even the frequency of power outages in your area can all influence whether a butane stove is the right choice for you. If you prioritize portability, ease of use, and independence from electricity, butane stoves are a strong contender. They are lightweight and compact, making them easy to store and transport. This is particularly useful for those who enjoy camping or need a backup cooking solution for emergencies. They offer a reliable way to cook a variety of dishes when the lights go out. From boiling water to frying vegetables, butane stoves can handle most cooking tasks with ease. Their performance is often comparable to traditional gas stoves, providing consistent heat and control. However, safety should always be your top priority. Butane is a flammable gas, and improper use can lead to dangerous situations. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and take necessary precautions to ensure safe operation. Never compromise on ventilation when using a butane stove indoors. Proper airflow is crucial to prevent the buildup of harmful gases. Make sure to cook in a well-ventilated area and avoid using the stove in confined spaces. Invest in a carbon monoxide detector for added peace of mind. This small device can alert you to the presence of dangerous levels of carbon monoxide, providing an extra layer of safety for you and your family. Ultimately, the decision to use a butane stove indoors is a personal one. It requires careful consideration of your specific needs and circumstances. Discuss with your family, weigh the benefits and potential risks, and make an informed choice. Weigh the pros and cons carefully, consider your individual needs and circumstances, and always prioritize safety. Whether you decide to use a butane stove or not, being prepared and informed is the key to making the best decision for your kitchen.